Hello, my name's Austin Vince and I want to talk to you about how to put up a tarp for your motorcycling holiday, or if you're very lucky, adventure. Now that means that in the morning when it's time to go, we simply just pull that out, bang. Now all we have to do is pin out the four corners. Let's go. The tarp is a fantastic piece of cheap, flexible, robust camping equipment.
Claro.
If it's raining hard and it's set up correctly, you will not get wet under here. However, if it's not raining, don't sleep under here, sleep out here. Look at the sky and swap 5-star for 5,000 stars.